Hello, welcome to Ecoppia Solar Scholar. My name is Robotic, and today I'd like to talk to you about how to measure robotic cleaning performance. The second cardinal sin of testing is looking at the results and finding out which question they answer. The first cardinal sin is deciding the result and then performing the tests that prove it. When testing the impact of a robotic cleaning solution on solar panels, it's important to know what you are testing. First, you should be as specific as possible. The effect on the solar panel is not an accurate enough term. Even testing the impact on anti-reflective coating is not enough. Which impact are you testing? Secondly, you must understand what is the importance of the single parameter that you are testing. Power generation is a straightforward test. You measure power production before and after the cleaning scenarios under the exact same conditions. The difference, bar noise, is due to the cleaning. Mostly. Maybe. But actually it isn't. This is why understanding overall impact is important. There are several factors impacting panel degradation. The clearance or reflectivity of light, but even here, not all wavelengths are the same. The energy in sunlight is not evenly distributed. Fill factor and potentially induced degradation over time and use. But often overlooked is light-induced degradation or light-elevated temperature-induced degradation for even more robust testing. If your testing took 3 months to complete, then connected panels exposed to the light will have some degradation regardless of cleaning. Since 2014, Ecoppia has performed dozens of tests with external labs to verify compliance of our cleaning solutions to modules and coating. And we've learned a few things on how to test realistically and reduce errors. When testing, always keep a few reference modules under the same conditions, including gentle cleaning, so that you can isolate the effect of the cleaning itself on modules. Have a few modules just shipped back and forth to isolate the effect of shipping on the modules themselves. Measure multiple points on each module. The effect of cleaning is not uniform across the panel. Look for location of wheels touching or turning on the panel. Verify multiple angles for reflectance. And above all, remember, you need to be specific to turn data to information. You need to learn how to turn information to knowledge. And you need understanding to turn knowledge into wisdom.